Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, as you guys saw by the title. This is it. The plastic kind of came off from when I was looking at the box, but I haven't opened the phone yet. I promise I haven't actually looked at the phone because I wanted all real reactions. But I don't know how it opened. I think it shifted around in my grandma's purse and the plastic pretty much just came off by itself. But we take the plastic off and this is how it looks. The box is actually very much thinner than the original one. I think the other boxes were a little bit more thicker, if I'm right, but it's a lot more heavier. And I'm also super excited to see if the charger is going to be different or not. I don't really update myself and stuff like chargers and stuff like that, or like new technology, so I don't know if, like, what all comes in it. But I have a lot of chargers as it is now, but hey, I love getting new chargers. So I think this is the right way, and let's do it. Ta-da! If I'm being honest, it looks the same as the phone I have now, but the camera lens, like the camera, looks way bigger. And yeah, it's a really pretty phone though. Lift this up. This is how it looks. It's square now, which is kind of weird. This phone is way bigger too, by like 2 more centimeters. I get big phones because I have really long hands and big phones just fit me. I don't get big phones to show off or because it's the best phone. I just get it because I have super long hands. I ordered a screen protector. However, my screen protector won't be here until tomorrow. I'm very big on screen protectors. Also, I never dropped my phone, but since I don't have a case, I'm gonna have to work with this without a case right now. But I am gonna go buy me a clear case from Amazon. Okay, let's take this off. Ba-dum. Whoa, that is amazing. You can literally see yourself through it. I have to mail this phone back. I'm gonna go mail it tonight and make sure everything on my phone is just right. Before I move everything on this phone, you guys can watch it turn on. English, United States, manually connect to the but I honestly forgot what I was saying. Let's see what comes in it. Oops. You got a charger. It looks like the same one that I have now. I didn't get a cube. I don't know if they figured that we don't need one, but I didn't get one. There's an SD SIM card in it too. So I think I just put my SIM card into it. But I think since I'm trading it, that's why they didn't give me a charger. But they gave me one of these, which is good. I can always just buy a box. I'm probably going to end up buying a box, or I don't know. I think I'm just buy a box and give my old charger to my boyfriend and just keep the new one and buy the new box for me once it comes. Okay guys, so choosing the backup. This is the one at first the last one was November 13th. The one I'm going to be doing is the one I just did. As you can see, it's 707, and I just backed it up at 703. Set up later. Not now. And now it's pretty much just restoring at its finest. My AirPods are kind of like whack right now. Only one side works as far as the mic to talk to people. And I don't know, it's weird. It kind of sucks. Okay, so it's on. This is how my wallpaper looks now that's on my phone. So everything is like pretty much put on. Yeah, like all of my stuff is basically on here. All my apps and stuff are on it. My snaps on here. So that's pretty much the unboxing video of the phone. It honestly doesn't feel any different. It's just like the phone I have now. Right now I'm figuring out how to activate the SIM card before I send this one back. I'm pretty sure I have to reset this phone though before I send it back. I'm planning on sending it back in the morning. I have this box where you ship the phone off, and they also put a label sticker in there and stuff like that, so that's good. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Check out my other ones as well, and yeah, bye.